Happy Fun Artifact Friday and welcome to Baking with the Museum of Northern History. Today is National Sugar Cookie Day, and to celebrate this we're going to take a look at baking in the early 19th century. And to bake like the 19th century, I have an artifact with me today that would have been used for baking. These egg beaters. Egg beaters, handheld rotating egg beaters, were invented in the late 1850s. The first design for an egg beater with rotating parts was an American design, patented in 1856 by Ralph Collier. And in England at the time, E.P Griffiths' design for the whisk was patented in 1857. Rotary egg beaters came in many different forms at the time. Some were already attached to mixing bowls so that the chef couldn't use their own mixing bowl, and some were being designed by the same people who were designing hand-cranked butter churns. The mechanical egg beater was invented in 1884 by Willis Johnson. Johnson's original design was to have his beater mix anything, not just eggs. The mechanical egg beater works to transfer the action of whisking into gears, which saves a lot of energy. It transfers a slow rotation into a fast rotation through two bevels in opposite directions. And a baker in the 19th century would have beat eggs like this. These mechanical egg beaters save a lot of energy and time, and as you can see, they were a key piece in the puzzle in the invention of the electric mixer. The electric mixer makes beating eggs for your sugar cookies today a lot easier, but these mechanical mixers are a great and charming addition to our collection here at the Museum of Northern History. Thank you for joining us on this Fun Artifact Friday / historical baking show. We look forward to seeing you next week for another fun artifact.